Welcome back to Arts Core. For this watermelon tutorial, you will need a pencil, an eraser, a pink highlighter, and a couple of colored pencils, dark green, apple green, or you can use light green, black, white, and 2 different shades of red. Here I'm using Crimson Red and Scarlet Lake. If you don't have 2 different shades of red, just use the same red you have when I mentioned Crimson Red or Scarlet Lake and it will be totally fine. You will also need an orange, a white gel pen, and something to blend with like a brush, tissue, or paper stump. To know what exact materials I'm using, check the description box for full detail. Start by drawing the basic sketch of a watermelon. Press lightly as these will be your guidelines and they will be erased eventually. At this point, erase the guidelines so they're faintly visible. Now take any red colored pencil, doesn't matter what shade, and lightly go over the guidelines. Now take a pink highlighter and make single strokes all over the watermelon. Remember to not make layers as this will cause the paper to bleed through. Once you come to this edge, go over the previous highlighter once, then continue making the single strokes on the left side. Now take the dark green and go over the bottom edge. Try to make this a solid color. Now take the apple green or any light green and make circular motions on top of the bottom edge we just colored. Now build upwards on this layer with the same green. Remember to color lightly as you move upwards. I also recommend using long circular motions for a good transition. At this point, take the white and start coloring in the shown areas. Shade lightly as you move towards the left side. Also use the white for the transition between the green and pink. Now color in small patches of white, leaving a space between each patch. Use the same patching motion on the front side of the watermelon, but keep in mind this side will stay darker than the left part we just colored. Now take the crimson red and apply small red patches around the white areas. Also, let some pink areas be visible and don't go over them with the red. One more thing to keep in mind is that press lightly when you make these patches. Now take the Scarlet Lake and go over some red areas just to darken them up. Remember to make patches and shade lightly. Do not go over all the white and pink areas made earlier, as you still want them to be visible. Now take the black and make ovals in the shown areas for the seeds. Now shade in these seeds as shown. Remember to leave some areas blank as there will be highlights and blending. Now take the white and blend it out. Now take the crimson red once again and darken the areas around the seeds. Also, while you're at it, darken some more areas around the watermelon to show a nice contrast. Now take the orange and lightly color in the front part of the watermelon. Once again, take the white and blend out the areas between the red and green. Now take the gel pen and add highlights on the seeds, as shown. Now for this last part, take a pencil and shade in the area beneath the watermelon. Now with a brush, tissue, or blender, blend this part out for a smooth shadow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, check out my other videos for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.